Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Children, I welcoming you all to this Standard 3 language class. Quickly, all of you open chapter 4 and page number 12. And today I am going to teach you pronouns. Okay. What is pronouns? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So Seema has a new bag. She carries it to school. We used she in the place of Seema. So she is the pronoun. And we used I eat in place of bag. So see, singular pronouns and plural pronouns is given. We will see now one by one. I and me, singular pronoun, and plural pronouns we and us. Mine, singular pronouns. Ours, plural pronouns. You and yours, singular pronouns. You and yours, this one is same, plural also same. She and her, singular pronouns. And he, him and it, singular pronouns. And plural pronouns they and them. His and hers, singular pronouns, and plural pronouns theirs. So now we will do exercise A. Which nouns do the underlined pronouns replace? Write them in brackets. See. Akhil has a pet bird. He is used in the name in place of Akhil. Keeps it. It is used in place of bird in his house. Number 2. The cat saw some mice. They is used in place of cats and chased them. Them is used in place of mice all around the farm. Number 3. Sonali bought a new dress. She is used in place of Sonali and wore it is used in place of dress on her birthday. Number 4. Anju and I have 2 kittens. We is used in place of Anju and I, and look after them is used in place of kittens. 5 number. The children had some apples. They is used in place of children. Ate them is used in place of apples in the bus. So now we'll see personal pronouns. What is personal pronouns? Pronouns that replace the name of persons or things are called personal pronouns. I like to draw. Rohan gave a drawing book to me. We are playing. Come join us. The pronouns I, me, and we and us refer to the speaker. I and me are singular pronouns. They refer to the one speaker. We and us are plural pronouns. They refer to more than one speaker. The pronoun you refers to the listener. It may be singular or plural. Radhika, you may go out and play. Singular. All of you must come tomorrow. Plural. So now we'll see the personal pronouns. Speaker, singular and plural. Singular I and me. Plural we and us. Listener is you. And spoken about he, she, it, him, her, they and them. So now we will do exercise B. Fill in the blanks with correct personal pronouns. Number 1. Some deer came to the water hole because they were thirsty. Number 2. When Ankur finished the book, he put book back. Number 3. Om pushed the door and when it opened, he got scared. 4. The children were feeling cold, so they wore coats. 5 number. We have not met the headmaster yet. He is busy in a meeting. Children, now turn the page. Number C. You see. Complete the sentences with him, her, it or them. Number 1. I don't drink colas. I don't like it. Number 2. I don't know that woman. Do you know her? Because woman is there, that's why we used her. 3 number, this shirt isn't very warm. I do not wear it in winter. Number 4, this is my friend Rishi. Have you met him earlier? Number 5, Dad forgot the keys at home. Can you give it to him? Okay, next we will move on. Some pronouns show belonging or possession. We use mine and ours to talk about things that belong to us. The storybook is mine. The brick house is ours. We use yours, hers, his, and theirs to talk about things that belong to others. The pen belongs to Anita. It is hers. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Mine, theirs, hers, and yours. See. Number 1. Ajay asked Sonia, are these fees yours? 2 number. The kitten is mine. 3 number. Karthik asked Puneet, is this ball yours? 4 number. Abdul said, this parrot is mine. 5 number. The naughty puppy is theirs. So like this, children. E number, rewrite the following sentences replacing the underlined words with pronouns. This is homework for you. First one I will tell you. Siba is sad. Siba will leave soon. So we'll use he because Siba is a boy. So he will leave soon. Siba has to go to Delhi. He has to go to Delhi. Like that you have to do these exercises. This is homework for you. So you write and learn. Write down all these exercises in the language copy and learn. Thank you.